Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this phone. First, let's open the settings on our phone. To do it, simply tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called the battery and tap on it to enter. And here you should see the option called power saving mode, and you can enable it by tapping on the switch. And once you tap on the switch, you will see that the battery estimation went up, basically like this. And also this icon of the battery, you will have this little leaf icon on it, which means that the power saving mode is enabled. And now you can basically close the settings if you want to. And that's how you enable the power saving mode. To disable it, simply open the battery menu again in the settings and tap on the switch again, like this. You can also enable and disable the power saving mode through control panel. So let's open the control panel on our phone. You can do it by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. So basically from here, come on, like this. And once you open the control panel, you can swipe down on this menu with the icons to open it. And here you should have the power saving mode icon. But I believe that by default it's not here. So basically it's gonna be missing. If it's missing, tap on this icon right here to open the menu. Then tap on edit switches and it should open this menu. And as you can see right here on the second list, we have the power saving mode. So we can press and hold on it to grab it. Then we can drag it to the menu above, like this. And once you're done, tap on done button. And now when you open the menu right here in the control panel, you will see the power saving mode icon. And you can tap on it, tap on enable to enable the mode. And to disable it, you can open the control panel and tap on the icon again. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.